Hello everyone, this is Sir Pao TV. Okay, to solve this problem, we can do two methods. Ang first method natin is by the process of expansion. And the second is substitution. So yung method of expansion, ang gagawin natin is expand natin ito using binomial expansion and Pascal triangle, yung pile ng numbers, and then i-multiply natin yung 3x squared among the terms and then apply power rule bawat isang term. So, ganito siya for number 1, expansion. So, we have 3x squared times what is the expanded form of x cubed minus 1 quantity raised to 3. So, balikan natin yung kanina. Meron tayo ditong a plus b raised to 3. So, kukunin natin tong pile of numbers 1, 3, 3, 1. So, we have x cubed minus 1 quantity cube. It is equal to 1, 3, 3, and 1. Now, ilagay natin itong dalawa na magkatabi. X cubed times negative 1 plus x cubed times negative 1 plus x cubed times negative 1 plus x cubed times negative 1. And then, lalagyan natin ng exponent. Again, ang sum dapat, bawat term ng exponent ay kung ilan yung nandito natin na exponent sa expansion. So, that's 3. So, ilalagay natin yung maximum number na 3 sa first term natin kanina, which is x cubed. So, dito yung 3. So, ang isa natin, 0. As we move papunta sa right, babawasin natin yung first term ng exponent na 1, and then yung sa second naman, lalagyan natin ng isa. Dadagdagan natin ng isa. So, yung 3 magiging 2, yung 2 magiging 1, and then magiging 0. And then dito naman, from 0, magiging 1, magiging 2, at magiging 3. And then, simplify. So, 1, x cubed raised to 3, we have x raised to 9. And then negative 1 raised to 0, that's equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 is equals to 1. Next, 3 times x cubed raised to 2, we have x raised to 6. And the negative 1 raised to 1, that's negative 1. Plus, we have 3 times x cubed raised to 1, that's x cubed. And the negative 1 squared is positive 1. Plus 1 times x cubed raised to 0, it's equal to 1. And negative 1 raised to 3, it's equal to negative 1. Now, simplifying the expanded form, we have x raised to 9 plus, minus 3x raised to 6 plus 3x cubed minus 1. So, we are now using this expanded form and substitute here. And then we multiply by dx. After substituting the expanded form of this x cubed minus 1 quantity cube, we are now distributing the 3x squared dx for each term. So, magkakaroon tayo ng derivation ng problem natin na magiging integral of 3x squared times x raised to 9, that's 3x raised to 11 dx. Minus 3 times 3, 9, x raised to 8 dx. And then 3x squared times 3, we have plus 9x raised to 5 dx, and then minus integral of 3x squared dx. So we can now apply power formula for each term. So the integral of 3x raised to 11 dx is equal to 3 times x raised to 12 divided by 12 minus 9 times the integral of x raised to 8 is x raised to 9 divided by 9 plus 9 times the integral of x raised to 5 is x raised to 5 plus 1, 6 over 6. And then minus 3 multiplied by x. 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3, and everything plus c. Simplifying the results, 3 divided by 12, we have 4. So we have 1/4 x raised to 12 minus 9 divided by 9, that's x raised to 9. 9 divided by 6, that's 3 halves. And then 3 divided by 3, that's x cubed plus c. Now, we can also factor out x cubed for these terms. I-factor out natin yung x cubed, so magkakaroon tayo ng x cubed times the quantity. 1/4 x raised to 12 minus 3, we have 9, minus x raised to 6 plus 3 halves x cubed plus c. So here's our answer using expansion. How about if we try to solve this same problem using substitution? So let's try to solve this problem using substitution. So we have integral of 3x squared x cubed minus 1 raised to 3 dx. So we can apply substitution here by letting u equal to x cubed minus 1. So if we let u equals to 1, our du now will be equals to 3x squared dx. So we have 3x squared and we have dx. We can substitute this 3x squared dx by du. And we can substitute x cubed minus 1 by u. So our derived problem is, in terms of u, will be u raised to 3 du. Applying power formula, so we now have u raised to 4 over 4 plus c. And that's 1/4 times u raised to 4 plus c. Ano yung u natin? That's 1/4 times x cubed minus 1 plus c. Now, the question is, sir, equal lang po ba ang 1/4 times x cubed minus 1 raised to 4 plus c dito? And then, we can now apply. This should be 3 halves. Minus 1 pa. Yeah, minus 1. Kaligtaan natin. So, minus 1 plus c. Okay. Sir, equal ba yung x cube times the quantity 1/4 x raised to 9 minus x raised to 6 plus 3 halves x cube minus 1 plus c dito sa ating 1/4 times x cube minus 1 raised to 4 plus c? So, we can try expansion. So, ang ginagamit na number for x cube minus 1 raised to 4 ay 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, and then we have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So, this is the number na kailangan natin. So, to expand it, we have x cube minus 1 raised to 4. So, we have 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 and then plus 1. Lagyan natin ng x cube and negative 1. So, x cube, negative 1 x cubed, negative 1, x cubed, and negative 1. Then we have x cubed, another negative 1, x cubed, and negative 1. Then, having a sum of 4 for every term ng exponent natin, and start tayo for 4 as our maximum sa first sa x cube natin. So we have 4 and then yung isa ay 0. As we move to the right, babawasan ng isa. So meron tayong 3, 2, 1, and 0. And then dito naman magiging 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simplifying, we have 1 and 1. We have x raised to 12. Plus 4 times x raised to 9. Negative 1, so minus 4x to 9. Next, we have 6 times x cubed squared, so x raised to 6. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. And then negative 1 cubed is negative 1 times 4, so minus 4x raised to 3. And then meron tayong 1, and then 1, and negative 1 raised to 4, it's positive 1. Now, we multiply it by 1/4. So, 1/4 of x cubed minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to 1/4 times x, so x raised to 12 divided by 4 minus 1/4 times 4, so that's x raised to 9. 1/4 times 6, so that's plus 3/2 x to the 6. 1/4 times negative 4, so that's minus x cubed. And then 1/4 times 1, so that's plus 1/4. Again, factoring out x cubed. So meron tayong x cubed times the quantity 1/4 x raised to 9 minus x raised to 6 plus 3/2 x cubed minus 1. And now we have plus 1/4. Now, take note. This value ay equal ba sa nakuha natin sa taas? 1/4, negative 1, 3/2, and negative 1. 1/4, negative 1, 3/2, and negative 1. Yes, they are equal. Saan lang sila nagkaroon ng changes? Sa constant. Plus c. So dito, plus 4. So we can change plus 1/4 into plus c because that's constant. So again, to conclude, we can solve this type of problem using two major methods such as expansion and substitution.